Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change who can message you on Tumblr mobile. To do that, follow the steps. 1. Open the Tumblr app and tap on the people icon or silhouette icon in the menu bar at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap the gear icon at the top to access your account settings. Select General Settings. Choose Messaging. Under Who Can Message You option, choose one of the following. If you choose Everyone, anyone can send you messages. If you choose the Only People I Follow option, only the accounts you follow can message you. And if you choose the No One option, you will not receive any messages at all. By adjusting the settings, you can control who can send you messages on Tumblr, giving you more control over your interactions and privacy. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.